Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious whipped cream at home without using heavy cream. It's a common kitchen dilemma, but thankfully, there are several fantastic alternatives that yield equally delightful results. We'll explore both dairy and non-dairy options, along with the simple techniques and essential tools you'll need to create light, airy, and perfectly sweet whipped toppings for all your desserts. Get ready to transform everyday ingredients into something truly special. Let's dive into some dairy-based substitutes. Full-fat coconut milk is a star. Just chill it can overnight, scoop out the thick cream and whip it up. Another option is combining 1 cup of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of gelatin or cornstarch, heating it gently, then chilling thoroughly before whipping. Evaporated milk, when well chilled for at least 8 hours, can also be whipped to a lighter, frothy consistency, offering a great alternative for your sweet treats. For those seeking non-dairy options, aquafaba is a game changer. This is the liquid from a can of chickpeas, and when whipped, it creates a surprisingly stable and airy foam. Another excellent choice is cashew cream. Simply soak 1 cup of raw cashews for at least 4 hours, then blend them with a 1/4 cup of water until smooth. For all methods, use a stand mixer or hand mixer with a whisk attachment, whipping on medium-high speed until soft peaks form. To ensure your whipped cream is perfect every time, remember a few key tips. Always start with very cold ingredients and a chilled bowl and whisk. This helps achieve maximum volume. Gradually add your sweetener, like powdered sugar, to taste, usually starting with 2 tablespoons per cup of liquid. Finally, don't be afraid to get creative with flavorings. A 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract or a tablespoon of cocoa powder can elevate your homemade whipped cream to new heights. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.